This tantalizing knot is called the TrueLove Knot, and it's number 23 in the top 50 knots. Throw our Cherry Cain necktie over your neck with the blade on the right. Make the blade a bit shorter than your belt. Make a dimple in the blade and make the neck loop by crossing the tail in front of the blade. Cross the tail behind the blade, then down through the neck loop and to the right. Tighten. Take the tail down through the neck loop again and to the left, then around the front to create the bottom loop. Now go up through the neck loop and create the left loop by going down through the bottom loop. You want this fairly tight, but not too tight. And keep the left loop as far to the left as you can at the top and the bottom. If you have trouble getting the knot to look symmetrical, push the right loop as far to the left as you can. Fold the tie up and then go down through the neck loop to the right. Finish the knot by taking the tail through the left loop. The knot is tied. Tuck the tail into your collar and tighten the knot by pulling down on the blade. Voila, that is number 23, the TrueLove Knot. This knot looks best with a bold stripe. It could give you a nice pinwheel look, but it looks great with a plain tie as well. Let me know if you think these instructions are helpful in the comments. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button to elevate your style. Most importantly, keep looking classy. I'll see you at the top.